Mama, Mauritius looks beautiful on postcards, but in real life, people still judging people by skin color. What progress, huh? I live with love every single day, mama. I don't understand why they love war so much. On a little island surrounded by the sea, they still divide people by religion and color. My grandparents broke stones with their hands, sweated under the sun for this country. But today some still believe they are above others because of family names or status. Hey, bravo civilization, university taught you how to speak English, but never taught you how to respect people. Take my hand, brother,
let's go there.
there, there. Back where people still believe tomorrow could be better. Oh, let us live peacefully, without hate, without knives, without violence. Your skin color doesn't decide your value. Your religion doesn't measure your intelligence.
Mauritius, wake up. Generation, rise up.
We just want to breathe. We just want to move forward without tired old politicians trying to decide how we should think. Every day they talk about respect, but they panic when young people ask questions. They fear when we say the lights of the country are slowly fading. While they debate on television, the people suffer in real life. Prices rising,
Stress rising.
frustration consuming the whole youth. But no, everything is perfect apparently. Mauritius, miracle economy, right? Some families were whipped,
Some families were
humiliated. So today, their children could deserve something better. So why should we still accept all this nonsense? We're not asking for luxury, brother. Just peace, respect, and a normal future for our children. Let us live peacefully, without division, without racial hate. We are all children of the same sun, same lagoon, same stars.
Mauritius, wake up. Let the youth breathe.
Our generation is coming with love instead of hypocrisy. If you truly love,
Mauritius,
stop dividing its children. In this beautiful little country, where our children can finally grow without hate.